Hello dear friends, and today I'm going to unbox one of the flankers of the Hawas series, that is Hawas Kobra for him. And it's a beautiful looking perfume. As you can see on the left side there is a authentication badge, and then on the back there is Rasasi and brand information. And on the bottom side you can see the batch number and other important information, and it goes like that. So let us open it. Hawas Kobra is actually a duplicate of the world-renowned Imagination by Louis Vuitton. It's a wonderful scent, and the price is actually a lot lesser than other duplicates of Imagination, so that's why I thought of buying it. So this is Hawas Kobra. The box is as usual, a little bit of like snake skin like texture here. Let's open it. This is just like other typical Hawas, and that is Hawas Kobra. It's a black box, as you can see. It's a black bottle. On the bottom that's black as well. It's written Rasasi. This is Kobra, and here we have the sticker. On my previous Hawas Fire I found that sticker on here, but no worries about that. This is the cap. The cap is actually pretty heavy. It makes a beautiful sound, no doubt about that. Okay, nice. Let us spray it a little bit to see. I can't see. Okay, later I will spray it, no worries. So the scent, let me talk about a little bit of the scent. The scent is basically way too soapier than the original Louis Vuitton Imagination, but I like it so much because of its soapiness that I instantly bought it. I had tried some decants of Hawas Kobra, and as you know that if I like the decant, then I buy the full bottle. So here it is, Hawas Kobra. You can buy it. I bought it from Senzone for about 2,700 taka. It's really very cheap if you talk about the price point and the perfume. Best thing about Hawas Kobra is it has immense longevity. On my skin it stays for about 7 to 8 hours. If it's like winter, if it's summer, it takes about like 4 hours to completely evaporate. 4 hours for a perfume like that in Bangladesh summer is pretty cool, I have to say that. For those of you know that fresh perfumes do not stay long, but this perfume actually stays far more better than other flankers or other fresh perfumes. So this is Hawas Fire. As you can see, the bottle looks good, the cap looks heavy, and it makes a sound when you close it. So this is Hawas Kobra. Later probably I will do a review video of it as well. Till then, goodbye. This is Hawas Kobra for you.